to it. Yeah. Guy number 2, nothing you say is true. You thought that you were sneaking around, but guess what? Best friends talk, they really talk a lot, and we both decided you're through. Yeah. 5 guys with no burgers and fries who have no idea what they've done. This song is for you boys and all of your dumb ploys.
Wait, they're not gonna know what that is.
Maybe guy number 3.
Maybe.
One day you'll wake up and realize what you've done. No need to apologize, we're still having fun. Yeah. Really are still having fun, aren't we, Mom?
We are.
Guy number 3, you are still kind of nice to me, but that doesn't change what you've done. You really should know that all of life's not a show, and you can't always reach perfection. Yeah. Guy number 4, you are currently a bore. All I get back is mm-hms and ha-has. Really? I really like you and I don't know what to do.
Oh wait, I'll just move to Alaska.
Yeah? Yeah. 5 guys with no burgers and fries who have no idea what they've done. This song is for you boys and all of your dumb ploys. Wait, just get a dictionary and look it up.
Yeah, come on.
One day you'll wake up and realize what you've done. No need to apologize, we're still having fun. Yeah. You know, Mom, I feel like we're forgetting somebody.
You know, you're right. I think we are.
I think we only have 4 guys. There has to be 5. That's the whole song.
True. Oh wait.
Oh yeah, I forgot about. How can I forget?
I don't know.
Guy number 5, you are a waste of our time. So this verse is already over. But this song wouldn't make sense without your reference. 'Cause we said 5 guys, not 4. Yeah. 5 guys with no, you know, 5 guys. 5 Guys is a restaurant down in New York that I frequented very often. They supply burgers to the entire nation. And we just want to give a shout out to 5 Guys and their awesome burgers and fries. And to warn all of you watching this video that not all guys have burgers and fries.
Especially not these ones.
These 5 guys are pretty bad. So